Hi everyone, this is Burak from Trading Channels. This is going to be a short video for only a few forex trading pairs. Let's kick it off with Euro US dollar first. This is the orange channel which has been ongoing since the start of 2017. The orange channel is still in control and it has 3 hits on the top band and 3 hits on its bottom band. The very important red support has been holding, and that's why euro still looks quite bullish to me. And if we get closer, you can see the blue bull flag forming. For that to basically break up, it needs to take out the top band for us to be sure that it's getting ready for another push higher. The ultimate target would clearly be this massive bull flag's top band from year 2008. So, and that's the green top band is around 1.2750, and that's where euro is heading, I think. So for now, short term, we're looking into the blue bull flag, and as long as the red support is holding, the target is around here 127.50. This is cable, also looking very bullish, and I'm long cable. Just before the green resistance broke up, we went long at 130.38.95, right around here. It broke it up, came back down to back test it, and that was a much better entry. But of course, back tests don't always happen. So after the back test, it kept on pushing higher and higher, and clearly the orange channel is holding. It has 2 hits on the top and 2 hits on the bottom. It's quite a nice channel with really nice internals, and I think cable is heading towards the red channel's top band at 150, right around here, and that is exactly where the Brexit sell-off started, and this peak is around 150. Aussie dollar formed this green bull flag from September all the way to December. In January, it broke it up all the way up here, came down and back tested 3-4 times. I mean, it's still back testing the bull flag, the broken bull flag. To me, the very bullish development would be if it can take out the blue resistance, which already has 3 touches. And to be honest, as long as, let's put it to a longer term, as long as the orange support holds, and that has 3 touches, as long as this support holds, Aussie dollar still has a chance to make it all the way to the orange top band around 0.87, 0.88. This is Kiwi. Similar to Aussie dollar, the green bull flag formed and it broke up. It got back tested only once. Kiwi is a little bit stronger than Aussie dollar, and the very recent low last week was right at the red bottom band, and that's exactly what I've been expecting for a nice low, and Kiwi didn't disappoint. And right now, although the blue one is not really a channel, it still has merit. As you can see, the bottom band has 2 touches, and the upper resistance was touched 3 times recently during last week, and I think the 4th one will break it up, and Kiwi will get all the way something like this all the way to the red top band, maybe one more down, and then it will break it up. So Kiwi looks bullish to me as well. So US dollar, Japanese yen. This is super duper bearish, and the reason is the red channel, which broke down this year, beginning of this year. The red channel had formed all the way from 2011 bottom, and I don't think it's gonna go back to above the blue top band. And the blue top band has already 4 touches. Yes, if it does go, and if it breaks it up, yes, it can get higher, but I think it will first go down all the way to the blue top band's bottom band. Maybe we'll get a bounce all the way here to the orange top band, and then I believe it's gonna come down to here. Maybe not that quick, can go something like this, I don't care. For me, US dollar, Japanese yen is looking very bearish. And as you can see, the green sideways channel broke down. It got back tested 3-4 times, and it's still holding too. So everything is pointing downwards. Last but not least is the US dollar index. So this is the weekly chart. The black one is very much in charge, and the black one obviously originates from the 1990s. It topped in 2000, beginning of 2000, 2002. And this is the beginning of financial crisis back in 2007-8. It bottomed out. And to me, as long as the black channel is holding, it is still in a very huge downtrend. The red channel, so getting closer, the red channel looks like a bear flag within this black channel. So if the red channel breaks down, the black bottom band should be next. But until then, we are looking into several supports clearly. I mean, to me, it's looking overly bearish because the green channel has already broken down. You can see the green channel, the internal one, already broke down at 4 touch. And the orange channel is in control, seems to be in control, which points down to 85. And the blue one is also looking very overly bearish because the bottom band of the internal blue channel, that is a very nice structure. You can see 3 touches on its bottom band. It broke down, it back tested, and it's still coming down. So I know a lot of people are expecting a very strong dollar rally. It can happen. I'm not saying it can't, but for me, price has to confirm it first, and it hasn't done it yet. And as long as euro is pointing upwards, and Aussie and New Zealand dollar and all of them, and UJ pointing downwards, I think US dollar has more declines to come. All right, you all have a very good trading week. All the best.